Hi, I'm Kathy with Carestream Health. I'm an applications consultant. One of the things that my team and I are responsible for is delivering customer training on the DIRECTVIEW software.
This video is to demonstrate how to manually input patient information. So if your risk goes down or your network goes down and you're not acquiring information via the network, you can manually type a patient in. You can also do this if you have a need to put a patient in immediately without waiting for the information to cross over from the RIS. On the bottom of your main menu screen, you have a new patient button. When you select the new patient button, your input screen comes up for patient information. Any fields that are mandatory will be highlighted in yellow. The other fields you will populate as needed. So if we're going to do last name patient Green, first name patient Terry, with a medical record number. We select the gender. Now gender, you actually have to click on whether it is a male or a female. You cannot select that through your keyboard. Date of birth, as long as you put in 6 digits, you don't have to put in your dashes. They'll automatically give you the name. And then what other fields you need to put in, you will populate. The next one I'm going to do is procedure name, and we're going to say that we're doing a hand 3 view. I select those views, and now our patient is in and we're ready to acquire images. If this patient is having more than one study, say they're having a hand and a chest x-ray, what I want to do next is select a new study button. This is not going to create a new patient, but it stays within my patient, example Terry Green, but it allows me to select a new procedure. I don't have to go back and add all the patient information again. And what you'll notice on the side is now you can toggle between the hand study and the chest study. And that's how you would put a patient into the system manually.